If you're born on 7th, 16th, or 25th of any month, this February month reading is for you. We have Two of Swords. Confused between two options, confused between two people. Do not be blindfolded. See what is coming through. Do not be very emotional and take any decision. Be very mindful. Do not take any decision at night, because you might feel sad, or you might be feeling low, and you might take a decision and it might not work out for you. So be very mindful. Be in a state you can meditate. Universe always answers you. So meditate and find the answer. Do not be blindfolded. Do not take any hasty decisions. Okay. 2nd February was important in some way. We have Page of Wands. Someone is attracted to you. They admire you. They are stalking you. You can expect this person to contact you this month. 11th February is important. 2nd February was definitely important some way. The Emperor. See, let your experience guide you. Don't As I said, do not take hasty decisions. So here I feel, be very create a boundary around yourself. If you feel that people take advantage of you, create a boundary around yourself. You are someone who who loves to be alone. But sometimes when you are socializing, you might feel a little overwhelming. Research is very important for you. Do a lot of research whenever you take any kind of decision this month. Page of Swords. Something to do with the younger person in your life, from the family or friend, or some unknown person who might bring an opportunity, or it's a new start, a baby step. Also, do not jump in anything. Two seems to be very important over here for you. Your intuitions are very high. Let your intuitions guide you this month. Knight of Pentacles. See, only if you are very mindful and you pay attention to your intuitions, you are going to achieve whatever you want in life, the stability or the value, the respect, or any opportunity. Or if it's related to promotion, career, or in business, even in relationship, be very mindful what